Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will show you how to fix auto brightness on this tablet. So first let's check if the auto brightness is even enabled. You can do this in settings, scroll down to the display in brightness settings and check if the automatic brightness is enabled. If this toggle is switched to the right, then automatic brightness should be enabled, and if it's not, then switch it. And if this doesn't change anything for you, then what you should do is go to System and Updates, then select Reset, and then select Reset All Settings, confirm, and then enter the lock screen password for your device. Reset all settings, and then restart your tablet by holding down the power key for a while. Select Restart and wait until your tablet is rebooted. And once your tablet is restarted, go back to settings and check if the auto brightness is enabled, and it should start working normally at this point. But if it didn't, in case it didn't, then the last option and the last suggestion that I can tell you about is going back into System Settings, going to Reset, and selecting Reset Tablet. This will erase all data from your device, but there's a good chance that your automatic brightness will start working afterwards. So I really hope that my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.